The question everybody is going to ask, why? Right? Why do I have to suffer? I have people ask me, why did Allah created me? Look at this. Look at where we are these days. If He knows I'm going to suffer. I don't know if you've heard this, but I've definitely heard it. So where do we go? We go back to the base. Where do we learn this deen from? It's not my opinion and yours. I like it and you don't, or vice versa. It's what Allah said. Let's take it one by one. Today is Thursday. Within an hour, it's going to be Friday night, right? And alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, we are encouraged to read Surah Al-Kahf. What did Allah said in it? And in the beginning, verse 7 and 8, right? إِنَّا جَعَلْنَا مَا عَلَى الْأَرْضِ زِينَةً لَهَا, right? لِنَبْلُوَهُمْ أَيُّهُمْ أَحْسَنُ عَمَلًا وَإِنَّا لَجَاعِلُونَ مَا عَلَيْهَا صَعِيدًا جُرُوزًا. Let's say what Allah is saying here. He's saying, we have made everything on this earth as a zina. Looks beautiful. And many of it is beautiful. But why? لِنَبْلُوَهُمْ, to test you. Test me, why? How? أَيُّهُمْ أَحْسَنُ عَمَلًا. Who's going to do better? Or in fact, who's going to do the best? أحسن. And then he reminds you of the nature of it. وَإِنَّا لَجَاعِلُونَ مَا عَلَيْهَا صَعِيدًا جُرُوزًا. And we, Allah, everything on this earth, the beauty, the attachments, things we love, is going to become nothing, barren ground. What is Allah telling me? I and you will be tested. Done.